and today we're opening up the 8th gift of our Sallie Tomato Co box. Today's gift is very useful, so I hope you enjoy it. You'll be looking for a little satin bag, and it says Day 8, Keeping It Together. These handy little tools are perfect for almost every project to keep everything together. They are sure to be your new favorite little notion. All right, so inside we have a pack of robin egg colored sewing clips. I'm sure many of you already have sewing clips in your room, but I don't think you have robin egg ones. And if you're a bag maker or a quilter, I think you know that the more clips that you have, the better. So there's no such thing as having too many sewing clips. So these little clips are great for working with faux leather or cork fabric or thicker materials, for bag making, also for quilting, for doing binding, some apparel sewing. They are just a great multi-purpose notion to have in your stash, and they're great for those non-woven fabrics that you cannot use pins on. So let me take one out of the bag here. These clips are very strong, they're easy to use. You just simply squeeze one end to open it up and you can clamp your fabrics together. So thanks so much for watching today's gift reveal, and I'll see you tomorrow when we open up the 9th gift of our Sallie Tomato box.